AI and the Internet of Things. IoT opportunities and challenges. AI and Internet of Things complement each other. AI provides intelligence to Internet of Things devices, enabling real-time data analysis, predictive maintenance, threat detection, and energy efficiency. Internet of Things devices generate vast amounts of data that fuel AI algorithms, fostering innovation in applications like smart homes, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. Challenges in AI and IoT integration. Despite their potential, integrating AI with IoT presents challenges. Challenges in AI and Internet of Things integration. Despite their potential, integrating AI with Internet of Things presents challenges. Compatibility. Diverse platforms and systems create interoperability issues, even as standards emerge. Privacy and security. Internet of Things data poses risks of misuse, cyber threats, and algorithm manipulation, leading to concerns like unauthorized access and biased decision-making. Ethical dilemmas. AI-driven IoT systems, e.g., drones or autonomous cars, may lead to societal and ethical challenges, including fairness, accountability, and transparency. Leveraging Internet of Things opportunities. Businesses and governments are driving Internet of Things advancements. Initiatives like Intel's Internet of Things Solutions, U.S. Horizon Work Program, and Brazil's National Internet of Things Plan promote growth. However, trust remains an issue, as many consumers express concerns about data sharing and security. Internet of Things and data-driven insights. Internet of Things devices are expected to reach 55.7 billion by 2025. Generating 79.4 zettabyte of data annually. This growth raises significant data protection concerns, as aggregated data can reveal sensitive insights and de-anonymize users. Addressing Internet of Things security. Internet of Things devices are increasingly exploited in cyber-attacks. Efforts to improve security include initiatives like the IoT Cybersecurity Alliance and Mozilla's Buyer's Guide, Security Standards for MEND, International Organization for Standardization, and European Telecommunications Standards Institute, and National Institute of Standards and Technology. Regulations such as Internet of Things security laws in Oregon and California, and Finland's cybersecurity label for Internet of Things products. Conclusion. While AI and Internet of Things offer immense potential to revolutionize industries, addressing challenges related to security, privacy, and ethics is critical for sustainable growth. The end of mCreations technology. Until next time, thank you all.